Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is Danrie from Craft of Giving, and in today's video I want to share how to make this super fun Easter rainbow cheesecake. I'm calling it an Easter cheesecake purely because of the fun colors. To start, you'll need to prepare your springform pans, and I decided to make a small one as well as a traditional larger round one. As always, I will have my recipe typed out down below, but feel free to use your own favorite baked cheesecake recipe. We start by crushing our biscuits to create our biscuit base and adding our secret sauce ingredient, cinnamon, to our base mix, as well as some melted butter. Mix that until it looks like wet sand. Divide that between your springform pans. If you're only having one pan, add it all in one. If not, divide it between the two. Now I did make 1.5 batches of this particular recipe so that I could make this extra little cheesecake. Using the back of a spoon, your hands, or the bottom of a measuring cup, go ahead and press your biscuit base into your springform pan, making sure to compact it nice and tight. And then once completed, go ahead and add your whole tray with your springform pans into the fridge to let that cool. For the actual cheesecake, we go ahead and cream the cream cheese by itself to remove any lumps and bumps. Now, because I wanted a plain white base for my cheesecake, I decided on a lemon vanilla cheesecake, but certainly go any flavor you like. I added a little bit of lemon rind and the juice of a whole lemon, as well as, of course, some vanilla. Now, don't forget the very important ingredient, of course, that is sugar, to add that sweetness to your cheesecake to balance out the lemon juice. Mix that together until it's fully incorporated, and then to add a little bit of extra creaminess and luxuriousness to our cheesecake, go ahead and add in the cream. Now, you do need to scrape down your sides of your bowl to make sure there's no lumps and bumps down the bottom, and go ahead and beat in the cream as well. Be sure to crack your eggs separately to check them if they're all good, no shells, etc, etc, and beat in one egg at a time, and make sure to fully incorporate that before adding the next one. Be sure to scrape down the sides of your bowl. Fun fact, I made my cheesecake a lactose-free version. In Australia, you can get lactose-free cream cheese as well as cream. Now, because my tummy is sensitive, that is what we're making. Now that my mixture is fully incorporated with all my eggs, I'm going to go ahead and just give it one large zhuzh around, and then divide my mixture into 4 even bowls. Now you can go into 5 bowls, 6 bowls, depending on how many colors you want to go, but I decided on pink, blue, purple, and yellow. Add a little bit of food coloring. You can always add a bit more if you need to intensify the color, but I started with a couple of drops, mixing it in and creating my beautiful colors. Once all your colors have been mixed, go ahead and pull your springform pans out of the fridge and go ahead and start pouring your mixture in, alternating the colors into your springform pans. Now, I decided to use a spoon for the small one and then just pour it straight from the bowl for my larger cheesecake, making sure to mix the colors by alternating the color drops. It does naturally marble as it goes, and you can use as many colors as you like. Like I said, I'm sticking with like the Easter colors, and I do that as I quote in the air, just to make it a fun Easter dessert to share with your family and friends, or make it for your loved ones. Using a cake tester, I'm just swirling the batter together to create a really beautiful marble design on the top of my cheesecake, as well as throughout the cheesecake, being careful not to drag it through the biscuit base. Pop this into a nice low and slow oven according to your recipe, and allow your cheesecake to bake. Of course, the smaller one will bake a little bit faster than the bigger ones if you do make a smaller one as well. So just be mindful of that. Allow your cheesecakes to cool completely before trying to remove it from your springform pan, and be sure to run your knife around the edges just to make sure that it's nice and loosened and you're not going to accidentally rip your cheesecake in half. This one will certainly test your patience. You will need to allow your cheesecake to cool completely overnight in the fridge so that it sets properly, as well as allow time to fuse all those flavors together. This will look absolutely amazing on your Easter dinner or lunch table to share with your family and friends this Easter. If a baked cheesecake is not your jam, be sure to check out my previous Easter cake video where I made the same concept but as a fridge set continental cheesecake. This is absolutely delicious, and I'm sure your family and friends will be talking about this one for years to come and probably request it the next time. If you enjoyed the video, give it a big old thumbs up, leave me a comment down below and subscribe to the channel for more videos. I make videos on handmade gifts and other fun DIY projects. Catch you next time. Bye!